Good morning. It's Friday, April 11th, and welcome to another exciting day in the world of finance. From inflation updates to trade war tremors, here's what's moving the global markets. We start with inflation trends. In the United States, March CPI inflation cooled more than expected, falling to 2.4% from the previous 2.8%. Core inflation also dropped to 2.8%. In Sweden, CPIF inflation held steady at 2.3%, with core inflation at 3%. Norway saw a sharp inflation drop to 2.6%, down from 3.6%, though core inflation held at 3.4%. China's inflation remained weak. Consumer prices fell 0.1%, while producer prices dipped 2.5% year-on-year. Next up, trade and economic outlook. The US-China trade war is heating up again. With 145% tariffs on Chinese goods, Washington shows no signs of backing down, and Beijing is ready to retaliate. Despite the turmoil, European stocks are holding firm. The Stoxx 600 rose 3.7%, though concerns over global supply chains persist. Oil prices have plunged over 10%, now below $65 a barrel, driven by OPEC Plus ramping up production and slowing global demand. Let's take a look at market movements. US markets dipped. The S&P 500 dropped 3.5%, and the Nasdaq slid 4.2%, weighed down by tech losses. In Asia, Japan's Topix fell 3.9%. China's CSI 300 was flat, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng showed some resilience in the green. On the currency front, the US dollar softened. The euro climbed to 1.133 and the yen strengthened, pushing USD JPY below 143. So, what does it all mean? The drop in US inflation may ease pressure on consumers, but it raises concerns about the broader economic outlook. The Federal Reserve walks a tightrope, balancing growth support with inflation management. The ongoing trade war adds fuel to market volatility. Hopes for negotiation remain, but investors fear the storm may get worse before it clears. Europe's market resilience is promising, but risks from supply chain shocks and falling oil prices remain top of mind. That wraps up today's financial rundown. Stay sharp, stay informed, and keep an eye on those markets. From all of us at Investor Caller, have a great trading day.